use CapCut to edit your videos, and you have the free version, but you would like to use all the premium functionalities. This video is for you. I will tell you how. No login is required, no hacks at all, and it is completely free. So, welcome to a new video, and if you like this kind of tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe. So, let's jump into it and keep that Join Pro mark. After downloading and installing CapCut normally, open it and create a new project, like you always do. Then, edit your video as you wish, without limitations, using as many pro features as you want. Just to give an example, I will do a quick edit as well. For example, I'm going to add a pro effect and a pro sticker to my video, and make them the same length as the video. And this is how the video looks like with the pro features. Of course, if we try to export the video as is, we won't be able to. This is when the secret comes in. But, again, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. To make this work, all we need to do is download OBS Studio. On my case, I will choose Windows. Then install the X extension file. Once you install and open it, a pop-up like this will appear on your screen. Then, just click on Start Recording. Open the project where the desired edited video is, and play it. This means that if I now create a new project and put this recording as a track, I can edit it to remove the extra parts. And then I can simply export it as if I joined Pro. And this would be the final result. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.